Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest fresh peach pie. It's so delicious and so easy to make. Start by cleaning and peeling your peaches. I'm now going to add 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of water. Give that a good stir, and I'm just going to slice my peaches into that. Peaches are very fragrant, so you don't need to add much to get a really great pie. Cook on low to medium heat until tender. These have been cooking for about 5 minutes. They're looking good. They do need a bit more time, however. It's been about 15 minutes. My peaches look ready. I've turned off the flame and I'm just going to let them cool. They're cooked yet firm, tender yet firm. And they have a beautiful color, so we're just gonna let them rest while I roll out my pie crust. Simple crust today. You can make your own or go with pre-made. This is just a little bit of flour, butter, salt, and a dash of powdered sugar. Pierce the bottom a bit. I'm preheating my oven to 350, and I'm just going to spoon these peaches in there. And that is perfect. A simple circle in the center of this pie. Just cut that out. Bring my pie back in. Trim off the excess. Once that's done, I like to brush it with an egg wash. This kind of pie I like an egg wash on. Make sure you get the edges. Bake at 350 until golden brown. Let it cool before cutting.